Good morning! So today is a really exciting day because I'm hosting a women's only, women's run bike mechanic event for all us girls who are just reliant on bike mechanic boyfriends, want to be independent queens again. And I'm hosting it in partnership with Luca, who is a lovely, lovely, lovely woman who owns a female bike clothing company. So it's basically a let's go girls kind of event. I'm going back to London, going to meet her, have a lovely lunch, and then we're going to go for a bike ride around Richmond Park, which is actually, I love riding around there, but it's so hard for me to get to normally, but luckily Dom's driving, you know, common theme through all these vlogs really. So I'm really excited to go for a bike ride around Richmond, and we're gonna get ready, set up, and then we've got the bike mechanic event this evening at like 5:30 I think. So there's 30 people coming. It was like a ticketed thing. There's going to be goodie bags, there's going to be some drinks, there's going to be some nibbles, and we can all just have a chat, find people to go for bike rides with, and all just unite over our complete lack of current bike knowledge. I thought I'd vlog because I thought, one, we might be able to teach you guys some things through YouTube if you weren't able to come to the event. And two, just because I thought it'd be a really lovely day to remember. So, hope you enjoy. Oh! Hey. We are just arriving to London. I've been editing and posting and doing all sorts on the way here. And yeah, I'm excited for some lunch. I'm really hungry. I actually went out, yes, I was gonna say last night. It wasn't even last night. It was a day party. Which makes it sound...
Day party?
Day party!
Someone's birthday party.
It actually was someone's birthday. No, I went to a like warehouse kind of event from about 3 yesterday until 8:30, and then had a massive kebab. My training readiness is pretty low because yesterday morning I trained legs and then went for a 10k as well. So typical me, burning candle at every possible end, but I'm actually really looking forward to it. I feel good. I'm just a bit hungry. And the bike is in the back. Oh, exciting news!
I got a bike!
Yeah!
No way.
We got Dom a bike from a really lovely couple about an hour's drive from ours in Bristol. And it is gorgeous. It's a cube bike. It was 2017 and it's full carbon for like 375 quid. So much nicer than mine. Like I love her and she's now mine. I'm obviously not getting another one, but it's just ridiculous how nice his one is, and it's his first bike, and I'm kind of just like, you kind of vibe, you know? It's like, why do you deserve such a good bike?
I need all the help I can get.
Yeah, true, to keep up with me because I'm just so rapid. But I hope the weather stays like this. It's quite sunny. Oh, it doesn't actually look it on there. It looks very cloudy. Anyway, Dom's gonna be on the vlog today. Dom's gonna be vlog cameraing whilst I just enjoy the event basically. And hopefully you overhear some bike mechanic stuff as well, so that you're then not asking me what to do. It's going to be like a role reversal, isn't it? I'm going to be so slave mechanic and just not going to know what to do. Right, I'll just... It is a fit. Typical Holly, got the place lunch wrong. So we are now going to lunch. A little bit late. Really thought we'd done so well with such a long journey getting there on time, but oh well. Well, at least we arrived at the same time. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm so sorry we're late now. I will. Yum. Say hey guys. It's Luca. So exciting! Outfits. Show us your Luca's car. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it real public?
Yeah, it's probably great. This is our bag carrier. Oh, that noise!
Oh yeah. There's like all those memes about the sound of flight.
How does it like follow you? No, I can't work out how to use this thing. Oh, look at that. That was a good shot. Animals. Hi. I saw some animals. Fly by. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
So you have literally like a rod that goes
Yeah, do you feel like a model? I fit, I slayed. If that's the one I want.
Doesn't have any wheels.
I'm gonna carry it.
And what about, and you just, this little lip on the lever, just hook it under the tyre, pull it off, to get going, and just push the lever around like that. With you, if you ask them to hold the bike at the rear, that's better, because you never want to turn the bike upside down, because if you've got hydraulic brakes, they can get air bubbles in them and stuff, so just keep the bike upright. Grab this derailleur, and it moves like this. Do this again. You just move it out of the way and drop it out like that. What you want to do is you wait for everything to dry, and then a chain, all it needs is one drop per rivet, so per chain link there. And so if you oil it anywhere around here, it's not actually on the parts that touch the sprockets. So what you want to do is, if you can just put the bike up to the side, just hold it there and back pedal and drip the oil on. They go all the way around like that. Genuinely as simple as that. There's no sprays you need or anything. It's just make sure it's clean, put some oil on. That's fine. Usually people ride oil chains year round and then have wax chains for racing, or at the very least oil for the wet conditions and wax the other way around. Around here, south west London, there's a lot more people that use wax chains just because they've got more time on their hands. That tends to be the vibe around here.
With the lube on the chain, how often are you doing that?
Good question, actually. Because I've got the workshop things, I will do mine every couple of weeks or so, depending on riding conditions. But usually, if it just starts to sound a little bit squeaky, and somebody normally tells you before you hear it, because you're out of the way of the chain and they're behind you, yeah, just do it then. I mean, you can get really tiny, like vials of oil, just in case, you're out on something. So if it was a really wet ride, but yeah, every couple of weeks or so. It's steep, but it's quite a fast climb. You want to be in the gear that you think you're going to climb on before you start, because the biggest chance of the chain slipping is going from the big one here to the little one. And so that's sometimes if you change it hard and you put in power on. So a good thing is if you're riding in the big ring like that, you'd freewheel for a second, change it down, and then do the change, as opposed to just riding and doing this all the time. But then, in general, electric gears are way, way better. The same applies for cable gears. You've just got to be really confident in gear changing. There is like a little screw at the back here and when you twist it, you can change how far in this lever comes, so that if you've been on a 3-hour ride, 4-hour ride, and you're changing gears all the time, if it's hilly, it can get quite tiring changing gears. This is a top tip from pro cyclists. It's a bit screwy, but when you get, sometimes you get this weight, and you know you put like, you check your baggage in at the check-in. What pros tend to do, and I do now, is keep all your heavy stuff in your carry-on, and then get it weighed, and when you need to take it to Fragile, you just stick it on. So you see loads of people like do that pretty much, you stick the wheels in, everyone's happy, and you cover the foam. And whenever, if you're going to pack the bike, whenever you're taking stuff off, like this, the through axle, put it back in, just so it stays in place. Braking function like we did before. If I pull that brake now, I'll do it as an example, it comes all the way in. But what it's doing is it's letting air into the system here. And so if I did that 3 times, the brake's knackered and it needs to go to a workshop to be repaired. Stupid design, but that's how it is. So these little spacers just sit in the pads there. So all of this heat, so there's 2 hoses there, that's the brakes, and then this is all carbon fibre. And now, because it's like this, you can lay it into the box.
Everyone soon. If you haven't entered with the giveaway yet, I'll be giving away one of our gilets at the end of the night. And yeah, thank you so much for coming, exchange, cycle together, because that's what I'm doing, what we're doing, just to kind of get more girls on bikes and do it together.
And we're Luca, obviously.
Do it in Luca.
I mean, other than I'm not a lot of home jerky, so I was like chatting. Wait, where's she from? She said he wanted like chit. I know it's so yeah, is this what colour?
So either colour, any size.
If you kind of look at them, they're really cool, lovely gilets. Yeah. Nikita!
Right, Luca. After 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Luca!
I'm here with Holly.
It was so fun.
It's going to make you look really little though. Look how small you look. Oh, I hate how Natasha looks. from
Wait,
this
we
angle.
can.
There you go, I'll just flip it round and you can just see Holly and you don't need to see me.
Hi. I had a really good time. Do you think it went well? Yeah?
Yeah, it went really well.
No,
Big success.
Everyone was chatting and stuff, and I think that was the nicest part about it. Everyone was saying like they've made loads of friends and they're going to go for cycles, and then obviously everyone loved the kit, which is great for Luca, and the photo shoot was so fun, and the pizza was so yummy. Like we literally got here at what? 1?
1, yeah.
And it's what now?
Half 7.
6.5 hours, that's wild.
Yeah.
It does not feel like that. But yeah, back to Bristol we go. It's bloody cold there, isn't it? Yeah, so, and then did the little raffle and someone got their free gilet, which, that's so fun. But yeah, bye guys.
Plays with the bike. Oh, and the Luca bag looks great.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Love to all my fans. See you soon.